All right, so if you watched the live stream this morning, you saw there was a bit of a meltdown. I had the full-on FOMO. A couple different stocks moving around like crazy, doing some wild things. Got a couple scalps here end of the day, got back closer to green, but still in the red on the day. I'm down about 80 bucks on the day, and then minus about $150 in commissions. I know. Trust me, I literally hate making these videos, but I'm gonna make it because I want you guys to understand that it's just part of it. The emotion of day trading is part of it. It gets me. So first off, this stock, ONS, went up to 230 from 95 cents out of nowhere. I didn't see it. I walked away, came back later today, and there it is. ONS up to 230, up over 128%. Didn't even trade it, didn't even look at it. KURA, you can see here this morning. Just talk about a wild one. So this morning I actually went long here pre-market, and you can see there I went long there at 865. It didn't want to move, so I just ended up cutting my loss there, and bang, this thing starts squeezing again and up above that pre-market high there, breaking through $10. I got in there at the break of $10, sold there at 10.20. So I got 20 cents there on 500 shares. Hindsight's always 20/20. It's easy to sit here and be like, oh, look at it now, how it squeezed up. What an idiot. Why did you sell? But it's part of it. And I mean, you can see. So up there to 13.80 high after breaking through that pre-market high there at $10. So KURA making a crazy move there. It was up 100% at one point. Talked about this in the live stream. Everyone was talking about it. We were talking about how it would be a good we were talking about how it would be good long there above $10. I kind of got worried there. Had a lot of selling pressure there at the 10.25 area, 10.35. Didn't want to go higher. I wanted to take profit a little bit higher there, but I was in the right place. I had the right mindset, but really KUAR was the big mover of the day. Should have held on to this one. Should have gave it a little bit more time up there to 13.80. That would have really turned my bad day into a great day. Got a hurricane heading towards me, losing money in the market. It's been a day. It's been a serious Friday, but still kind of protecting some of my gains this week. Another stock that we traded today was KR, Kroger. So ended up going short here at open, kind of looking for that spike. Ended up getting squeezed, jumped up here to 21.69, had a small size, so it wasn't that big of a deal. Lost. Ended up losing a little bit of money there, and you can see after that, basically right after I covered, it just went lower and lower and lower and lower down here to 20.40. So I was right there again. I was in the right place, just not at the right time, and kind of just forcing some trades here. KR, Kroger, not working out either. You can see kind of bouncing back there off that 2040 area. And then, I don't even want to talk about it, but NLNK, the big crazy one today. Again, kind of over trading it, forcing some trades. I know. Someone's going to comment and say, wow, why did you trade it so many times? I know I did it wrong. I know, now I sit here, now that I walked away, now that I removed myself, I know that I overtraded it, but I ended up getting a couple scalps on it. I don't want to sit here all day long and talk about how I could have done things differently, because obviously I didn't do them. In the moment, I didn't do what I was supposed to do. I, broke the rules. I did things that I should have done better. FRTA was the other one that we tried to get in here on that break of 450. It didn't want to go. It got there to 460. It got stuck and then crashed down here to 370. So trying to minimize my losses, trying to get that profit when I have it, but just not working out today. It happens. I've had red days. Last couple of days, it's been kind of weird in the market. RTA, you can see how choppy this thing is. It had a setup. Breaking over that $0.50 there, 450. That was kind of the plan. AOBC was thinking about shorting this one. Didn't do it. I need to focus. I need to get back to it. I need to not be so focused on shorting. I think that's really what happened with NLNK, as I ended up shorting it pre-market. I made $90 pre-market before the market even opened. I made $90. I was in the green, and then NLNK started to run up, and I'm thinking, okay, boom, time to short it. I'm going to short every spike. I'm going to short the spikes there, but it ends up going up $2 or $3 there. NLNK, just, you can see right here. You can see NLNK, I went short here, made $90 on this drop, got in there, right there, 415, covered there at 379, had a resistance there at the 415 area. It worked out perfectly, and then I thought, here at open, had some resistance again, didn't want to go, and then bang, started to squeeze, and I'm thinking, well, this thing's definitely overextended. It wants to crash down. And ended up shorting it a couple times and going long and overtrading the crap out of it. Luckily, it was small size, so it wasn't that big of losses. So I was able to manage it, really just overtrading, making way too many trades. Once again today, I need to really focus here, guys. I got to get back on track. I got to get back in the green here. 2 days of overtrading, 2 days of just being frustrating. These, getting defeated. Basically, just feels like getting defeated. Even though I didn't lose a lot of money, you can see my trades here. You can see my P&L. I didn't lose a lot of money. It wasn't that I lost a lot of money today. I'm down about 80 bucks and everything. But overall, it's not that I lost a lot of money today. It's just so defeating that I could have made a lot more. I was right there, you know, KURA. This was the big winner of the day. I should have really, really killed this one. At the end of the day, it's my money that I'm losing. At the end of the day, it's my choices that I'm making. I need to focus more on taking profit. I need to focus more on, you know, letting the trade set up, or really just kind of not being so biased. If I see a stock like KURA, it has all the indicators for a long, go long there. If it has the indicators for go short, go short. But don't try to fight the trend. I've been trying to fight the trend too much lately. I've been trying to call the tops in LNK. Clear example, trying to call the top there. Just not working out. And I need to just focus, need to get back to the roots. I don't know. I think also trading with smaller size, I need those bigger moves. So with the smaller size, you know, to get $100, I need that 50 cents on some of these stocks. So really that's kind of sometimes pushing it. Before, when I was trading 1,000, 2,000 shares, I could get away with only getting 20 cents, you know, 10 cents and still making $100 and being happy with that. And I think now kind of just need to refocus, get back in the mindset. It's okay. We can do it. We'll be doing it. I'll be doing fine. I can just gotta breathe, get it out of me. So I know someone's gonna comment and talk about how bad of a trader I am. I've never claimed to be an amazing trader by any means. Go and watch any one of my videos. I have never once called myself an amazing trader, and I have issues just like every single one of you. Hopefully you guys can relate to this video, see what happens when you're emotional, what happens when the emotion kicks in. Luckily for me, I was able to manage my emotion. I walked away, I came back, I breathed, I took some small scalps, small size, made some profit, got back closer to the green on the day, but still, you know, down $80 minus commissions. It is what it is. So on that note, it's the weekend. The Hurricane Irma is on the way to Florida. I got to finish up some things around here, get ready for that hurricane. If I'm not here on Monday, say a prayer for me, because I'm in heaven and the hurricane took me out. So I will talk to you guys later.